Hi everyone, in this lesson we are going to revise lesson 2-4, that is about percents. Find the percent of a number. Students were asked which night they plan on going to the school festival. The results showed the survey are shown in the table. If 18% of the students did not go on Friday and 15% did not go on Saturday, how many more went on Friday? You have to focus on the wording. What is given? 18% did not go. 15% did not go. But what we have to find, how many students went on Friday and Saturday. How many more mean? Then you will find the difference. So how many number of students were there on Friday? 550, and on Saturday 480. What if something is fully done? Fully done mean 100% work is done. So total percentage is 100. On Friday 18% is not done, did not go, and on Saturday 15% are not going. So what we will do, we will subtract the percentages first. For Friday 100 minus 18, it is 82%. We are going to find 82% of 550. That means 82 over 100 times 550. 82 multiplied by 550 divided by 100 gives you 451. Now, for Saturday, 100 minus 15 is 85%. We are going to find 85% of 480. That means 85 over 100 multiplied by 480. After multiplication and division, you will get 408. Now, how many more? How many more means difference. So, how many more students went on Friday then Saturday? 451 minus 408. Subtract them, you will get 43. So 43 more students went on Friday than Saturday. Students were surveyed about which school athlete event they were planning to attend this week. Of the students who said they were going to the football game, 25% did not attend. Of the students who stated they were going to the volleyball game, 20% did not attend. How many more students went to football game than the volleyball game? So what we are going to do again, when something is full, that is 100%. So for the football game, we have 100 minus 25, that is 75%. So we are going to find 75% of football. Football is 120. And what is the other game? Volleyball is 80. So now 75% of 120 means 75 multiplied by 120 divided by 100. It gives you 90. Similarly, now here 20% did not attend. So 100 minus 20 is 80%. 80 over 100 times 80. Now 80 multiplied by 80 divided by 100 gives you 64. How many more? Again, the last step you will find the difference. Now 90 minus 64 give you 26. So 26 more students went to football game than the volleyball game. Olive is going to buy a scooter that cost $95. The sales tax rate is 8.5%. What is the total cost of the scooter including tax to the nearest cent? They said there is a scooter that costs $95 and there is a tax on that is 8.5% of 95. What is the total cost? Total cost means tax plus the original cost. So first of all, we are going to find 8.5%. 8.5% means 8.5 over 100 multiplied by 95. You will do 8.5 times 95 over 100. This will give you 8.075. This is the tax. Tax plus the cost will give you the total cost, that is $95 plus 8.075, that will give you 103.075. Now, they said write your answer to the nearest cent. Nearest cent means there should be 2 digits after decimal point. So we will look at the third digit, that is 5. 5 will give 1 to the previous number. So it will become $103.08. Is 18% of 30 the same as 30% of 18? Justify your conclusion. In this question, they are asking you if you find 18% of 30, you will get one answer. Is it similar to the answer if you get 30% of 18? So let's check. 18% of 30 means 18 over 100 times 30. 18 multiplied by 30 over 100. That will give you 5.4. Now 30% of 18 means 30 over 100 multiplied by 18. That is 30 times 18 over 100. That is also 5.4. Why? Because 18 times 30 are 30 times 18, both are same. 5.4 and 5.4. So yes, the same. Both of them are the same.